This video, what I'm going to do is go over a cart, and it came just like this. I just opened it up. So I'm going to go ahead and put this thing together and see how quickly I can get it together. And then I'll put some various things in it like wood and maybe some sticks and things like that and haul it around the yard. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out and lay it out here so you can see how easily and see if I got all the pieces. Okay, I just laid it all out here and it looks like we have everything with it, and I'll put it together and I'll come back and tell you exactly how I put it together and how long it took me. So let's get to building. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just got it all put together. That took me about maybe 20 minutes. And I'll tell you what slowed me down the most. These wrenches were pretty much garbage. These were kind of useless. This is what they sent with it. And automatically after doing the first one, I went ahead and got me an adjustable wrench. And the socket I needed was a 3/4 inch socket. And I think it's a 1/2 inch. So a 1/2 inch and a 3/4. I bet you if you use these, you'd be here for hours. I followed the instructions to the T. I did it exactly the way it was. So what it had me doing first was putting this U part on the bottom here. And that's what this assembly is right here. And then the wheels, once again, 3/4, and all of it was very simple. And make sure the valve stems are facing out. And then this is where the 1/2 inch comes in, where the handle, and the back, same way. It has 2 studs going out. You're gonna use the 3/4 socket right there on both of those. And then over here, so when you put these things on, make sure you put these facing outward. Then you're gonna get these little latches right here. This is gonna be your 1/2 inch socket. You're gonna just go down. Don't tighten them all the way up. You notice how I have maybe 1-2 threads left? And check it out. Look how these things work. Latch there, latch there. Is that not beautiful? So that way I can load things in right here, close this up, and you see how that latch. So let's just go ahead and take it all down. So I do latch there, latch there. I can open up this and leave this up, or now I've got a flat cart and have it all flat. And then if I want, I could just do this and check that out. I pulled the whole side off right there. Mulch around the yard, just doing when I get firewood or something like that. Let me put a big piece of firewood in there and try it out. Actually, let me put the cover in there and see how the cover looks. You basically just throw that around and then it snaps into place. And this way I could fill it up with dirt, gravel, or anything like that. Total weight capacity that this thing can hold is 550 pounds, over 600, about 660 is static weight of just sitting there. So you could load this thing down with bricks or whatever. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw a big log. I'm gonna actually throw 2 big logs in it and move them over to my fire pit. So let me go ahead and do that now. Pulls, this thing rolls really easy. I had these over here and I've been wanting to move them for a while now. So let me go ahead and show you how easily. And then here's the cool thing. So I get over here where I need to be. I can open this up. Oh, I have the bag in there, so never mind. If I didn't have the bag in there, I could open that up and roll them out. So you need to remember that if you're using that bag, you can't take the sidewalls down without removing the bag. This is one of these carts I think I'll be able to use on a wide variety of gravel, rocks, dirt, mulch, wood like this. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the, little pull behind cart. See you all in the next video.